your content creation big sis, and on this channel I document my journey of being a content marketer and a content creator in order to help self-starting aka beginner content creators to grow their following and engagement, and just to grow overall, especially getting the bags money. Guess what? I'm so definitely got my ring light. So glad. I got this ring light from a store in Umuahia, Abia State, where I stay with my parents. So I couldn't get from Jumia because I wanted to order from Jumia, but they were like, it's going to come from between February 12th to February 14th. And I was like, ciao, I need it. I need my ring light to start filming my videos. I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. I had to go to a store in Umuahia to get this, and I got the RGB LED soft ring lights. The woman actually said it's the best one, the one that has multicolors. I also got my tripod, obviously. So let's unbox together. First off, we are going to unbox the bar. Actually, I opened it in the store because the woman wanted to show me some certain things. But let me unbox with you together. So this is how it came. I guess this is 12 inches. This 12 inches ring light is 12 inches. Does it look like 12 inches? It's looking like 10 inches to me, but let me measure to be sure that it's 12 inches. With my measuring tape, I'm just going to measure this. We have inch here, inch from here, so inch, so here. Wow, actually it's 12 inches. If you can see, one inch, 12 inch. So yeah, it's 12 inches actually. So she's right. So this 12-inch ring light, it came with obviously wire, and it has remote. Let me untie this. Wow, it came with a remote, wire. That's wire, it's not wireless. So it came with a remote. I think we have mode up and down, RGB. I don't know that you can see, but if you can see, good and fine. The ring light also came with a USB card. I guess that's where we plug it. They didn't give me adapter. Hey, like head of charger. I'll just use my head of charger USB card here. So actually in the box also came with some stuff inside this leather. It came with, oh, this is the phone holder. Then this, we'll figure it out when, yeah, it came with this. I think that's basically it inside the box. Then this is the tripod. Okay. This is the tripod. Yeah! I'm so excited, like Emelda officially has a tripod. This is the tripod. Basically, you bring out the legs. Trying to bring out the legs. Yeah, it's a tripod. Obviously, 3 legs, so tripod. I need to set it up for you to see. First of all, extend the tripod. I'm going to let it stand. I'm going to start it. So using here, this is not my first time of using ring lights though, so I'm going to increase the height. It's quite tall. Wow, yeah, I don't know that you can see, but it's tall. The height is giving. And you see, like, it's almost taller than, I'm a tall girl. I think I'm 5'9". I think you can actually be taller than this, but this is what I can do for now. So let's reduce this. It came with this black stuff. It's basically for covering here so it's not get rusted. That's what the woman told me. I think it's going to go this way. Whatever you saw. Is it possible for this thing to go here? I don't know where to fix this, honestly, at this point. I think I'm going to fix this one here. My ring light is okay like this. So here. So we have our ring light thing. You can go like this, 360. I can go like this. It's flexible. So it's time to test my ring light. Nigeria can be frustrating. These are solar lights and it serves as a power bank. So you can basically use power bank to turn this on. Let me show you. As you can see, I plugged this and this there showing light. Let's see. Oh Jesus, you help me every day. Wow, it has three colors like whitish, yellowish, blue light, yellow light. You can actually increase the brightness. Let me reduce it so you see. This is the lowest, I think so. And this is the highest. Then it has RGB, as I said before. Oh my God! We want a party! Yes, we want a party! Let's see whether it fits well. So like it's adjustable. So nice. So nice. See how he's looking. Wow. See how he's looking. Wow, you can use it on film. This phone is spoiled actually, so let me use my own. I'll be changing the modes on camera right now, so let's see the different colors. Without a ring light, this is the first color, the white, the blue, and the yellow. Yeah, my review on this ring light, I love it so much. It's actually budget friendly. You can get this. I think I got the ring light for 17,500, the phone holder for 5,000, and the memory card for 5,000. So that's 27,500 actually. But like it's budget friendly. Honestly, the ring light is budget friendly, and you can also get a phone holder because this phone holder and the tripod alone, it's a set on its own, and they sell it for about 40,000, 13,000. You can actually get a phone holder. Just get a ring light because all the ring lights comes with tripod. Just get a ring light and get phone holder, and you have two sets already. You are saving money. And this ring light, I love it so much. Can't you see how it upgraded my video? You can join me in my 90 days consistency challenge. I'm actually experimenting with something, 1 year experiment, whether I can change my life in 1 year. So that's why I started this 90 days consistency challenge. So yeah, that's just basically it. Thank you so much. I love the ring light so much, and you can get anyone you want, whether it's the RGB or the normal one that comes with only three colors. You can get anyone you love, but I'll advise you invest in ring light if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, you can always use the sunlight, which is the free gift of nature. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all.